In the heart of Slavic lands, where dense forests and untamed wilderness stretched as far as the eye could see, there dwelled a mysterious and enigmatic figure known as Leshy. His origins were veiled in the mists of time, deeply rooted in the beliefs and traditions of the Slavic people. Across regions such as Russia, Poland, Ukraine, and the Balkans, his name echoed through the ages, a guardian spirit of the woods whose character had evolved over centuries of storytelling. Leshy, it was said, was one of the many spirits that inhabited the natural world, but his heart belonged to the forest. Towering and imposing, he could take on the form of any creature, tree, or human, his mastery of disguise matched only by his love for mischief. The Slavic folk believed he was a shapeshifter, a trickster who reveled in the unpredictable nature of the woods. His character was as unpredictable as the wilderness he called home. With a mischievous glint in his eye and an enigmatic smile, Leshy's favorite pastime was playing tricks on unsuspecting travelers who dared to venture into his domain. He would lead them astray, imitating the voices of their loved ones or conjuring phantom paths that twisted and turned, leaving wanderers disoriented and lost. Yet, despite his penchant for pranks, Leshy was not inherently malevolent. In some tales, he was seen as a guardian of the forest, a protector of its creatures and plants. He watched over the wildlife, ensuring their safety and well-being. Some even whispered that he could communicate with the animals, commanding their loyalty. As time passed, the character of Leshy evolved, mirroring the changing beliefs and societal norms of Slavic culture. In more modern interpretations, he became a benevolent and ecologically conscious spirit, emphasizing the need to preserve the natural world. But through it all, his core essence remained unchanged. Leshy, the guardian of the forest, the trickster of the woods. Leshy's character had such a deep impact on Slavic culture that he even left his mark on the language. The word les in Slavic languages means forest, and it's believed to be derived from Leshy's name. This linguistic connection underscores the inseparable link between Leshy and the wooded landscapes he inhabited. Leshy's influence extended far beyond folklore. In the rich tapestry of Slavic culture, he wove himself into the very fabric of their lives. In literature, his tales were passed down through generations, preserving the wisdom of respecting nature. Renowned authors like Nikolai Gogol and Alexander Pushkin brought his character to a wider audience, making him a cherished figure in Slavic literature. Visual artists captured his essence in paintings, illustrations, and sculptures. Leshy, the mysterious forest guardian, stood tall amid the trees, surrounded by the flora and fauna of his domain. His symbolism inspired works that explored environmental conservation, the intricate bond between humans and nature, and the enduring mysteries of the wilderness. Rituals and traditions paid homage to Leshy and the spirits of the forest. Folk celebrations in his name involved offerings of food, songs, and dances in the woods, seeking his favor and protection. Seasonal festivals, like Midsummer's Eve, united people with the natural world, reminding them of their deep connection to the land. Leshy's legacy extended into the realm of environmental awareness. As a guardian of the forest and wildlife, he inspired modern conservation efforts in Slavic countries. His character became a symbol of the need to protect the precious natural world. Educational programs used Leshy and other folklore figures to teach children about ecology, biodiversity, and the responsibility to safeguard the environment. Above all, Leshy was a symbol of cultural identity. He represented the deep connection of Slavic nations to the land, the forests, and the traditions that had shaped them for centuries. In the heart of the Slavic wilderness, Leshy's spirit lived on, a reminder of the enduring importance of the natural world, a testament to the rich tapestry of beliefs and traditions that continued to thrive in those lands. As Leshy's story unfolds, it reveals a captivating world where nature's mysteries intertwine with human experience, where the forests are both enchanting and unforgiving, and where the guardian of the woods, with a twinkle in his eye, beckons travelers to explore the deep and ancient heart of Slavic lands. Leshy was believed to be the master of a specific forest or wilderness area. Each forest was said to have its own Leshy, and these spirits were protective of their respective domains. This localized aspect added to the diversity of Leshy's tales. In some versions of Slavic folklore, Leshy had a deep connection with Rizalki, forest nymphs or fairies. These relationships between supernatural beings added an enchanting dimension to Leshy's character, often leading to captivating stories of love and intrigue in the heart of the woods. Leshy's resilience was a recurring theme in Slavic tales. No matter how lost or disoriented travelers became in the forest, those who displayed humility and respect could call upon Leshy for guidance. He could lead them back to safety, emphasizing the importance of a humble and mindful approach to nature. Leshy's visual representation in folklore and art evolved over time. In some depictions, he was portrayed as a wild, disheveled figure with a crown of leaves, while in others, he appeared more human-like with a greenish complexion, reflecting the changing interpretations of his character. Leshy's tricks and tests were often seen as a measure of human morality and respect for the natural world. Those who fell victim to his pranks were sometimes portrayed as disrespectful or careless, while those who passed his tests demonstrated an understanding of nature's delicate balance. Leshy was not the only supernatural being in Slavic folklore. He shared the spiritual landscape with entities like Domova, household spirits, and Kikimora, household spirits. These beings collectively enriched the tapestry of Slavic mythology. Leshy continues to find a place in contemporary Slavic culture. Whether as a character in modern literature, a symbol of environmental conservation, or a source of inspiration for artists, Leshy's legacy endures, bridging the gap between tradition and the present. In the shadowy depths of the Slavic forests, where the ancient trees whispered secrets to the wind and the wildlife moved in harmony with nature's rhythms, Leshy, the guardian of the woods, remained a timeless enigma. His story, a blend of mystery and mischief, echoed through the ages, a testament to the enduring power of folklore and the profound connection between the Slavic people and their untamed wilderness.